I just want to clear a couple of things up. People have accused me of staging stuff. Oh, he deliberately fell off his road king. He fell off the road glide.
We are the silent assassins. Yes, that's really red. Oh. Damn, she heavy, bike.
Hand on heart.
Can't see a fucking thing. Let's go to sleep as well with the fucking right?
Where's your box? Let's go for the fucking Harley, baby. Yeah, boy.
That is why you have it running and in gear, so you can accelerate and turn where you want to, and not just go with the momentum of a big heavy bitch.
I've never staged anything.
That could be the last view of the CBC for a while. Into the clouds! Into the clouds! Well, we need the dying shift right away. Heading down the way. I don't know where exactly. Need to go over, it's gonna be nice. Right a little dog on my automobile. Fancy shit, this is for real. Hey buddy.
Unhanded on the Applecross Pass at the top of Scotland, you're no longer depressed. Because you're close to death anyway, right?
Yeah, boy.
Living the
You're
dream.
fucking like this, riding.
Well, shit, that's how it goes, man. I think we're out for the hobbits to speed. Let's find the hobbits.